And we are back now with more meal trends to get you through the school year. This half hour, time for dinner. PA Beef is sponsoring this segment. I'm back with registered dietitian, nutritionist Beth Stark. Beth, thanks for sticking around here. We're back in the kitchen.
Always a pleasure.
We've been talking about meal trends and beef today. Last half hour we looked at some bento boxes, some handhelds. Now for another trend, strength building.
That's right.
Okay, so explain what you mean by that, and then we've got some trail mix we're going to talk about.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
You know, so we're living active lifestyles. We want to thrive. So protein is really a great nutrient to do so. And again, beef supplies 10 essential nutrients, protein being one of them, and just 3-ounce portion of lean beef, which is about the size of your palm, you're getting 25 grams of protein.
Wow.
So it just helps to fuel that active lifestyle, whether you're an adult or a youngster. And so, you know, back to school also means back to after school activities like sports and things. And a lot of kids transition right from school to the practice field or the court. You know, so fueling them with something like beef jerky trail mix is an easy way to add some protein into their diet, get some fiber as well, and it's a really great portable snack. And so what that actually is simply some beef jerky mixed in with your favorite trail mix that you may have purchased packaged already, or mix it up with your favorite variety of nuts and seeds, dried fruit, maybe even a little bit of chocolate for a sweet savory combination.
But
that's also good for those adults that are transporting the kids to practice and games as well.
You got to keep going somehow. I will tell you what. All right, the final trend today, the fourth one, cook once, eat twice. That makes sense. We try to do it in my house.
Same.
You have a recipe for that. It's one pot lasagna pasta. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, so I mean, and when you can cook something in one pot to minimize those dishes, I mean, what's not to love about that? So yeah, this was a skillet here. We've got it started. This was some lean ground beef that was seasoned with some Italian seasoning, some zucchini. We've got some onion and garlic in there. And then actually what you do is add some water and at one single jar of pasta sauce, add the noodles in there, and then leave it cook down as you can see here. And then what you're gonna do is swirl in some ricotta cheese to kind of give it that lasagna feel.
Yes.
And top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese. And then you can either just cover this and leave it heat through until all the cheese is melted, or if this is an oven-safe type of skillet or a saucepan, you could just throw it right into the oven and bake it. And it makes a larger portion, so you do have leftovers, which is great for lunches or further dinners down the week. And it's also just really great because you don't need an extra pot to boil the lasagna noodles. So it's kind of a fun twist on lasagna. And these are pantry staples and ingredients you probably have on hand. It's just a different way to put them together with the lean beef and then the pasta, the sauce, just a little bit of a twist on it.
Yeah, and there are vegetables in there, like you said, cucumbers and some peppers perhaps. Yeah, it just adds a little color to it as well.
Yeah, so yeah, actually this is zucchini, so I don't know about cucumbers in there. They do look alike, so I'll give you that. Yeah. But yeah, you could toss in, you know, any vegetables you have on hand. Spinach would be great, even mushrooms would be great. So use what you have and what your family will eat.
Well, and the reason I had cucumbers on the that's one of those snacks my kids will eat that's healthy, that I don't have to force them. They'll eat cucumber slices.
Great with dip, right?
So I may tell them that's cucumber, but that looks very good. You combine that with the lunches that you've showed. Always great to see you. Thanks so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where can people find more information?
PABeef.org would be your one-stop shop for all of these different recipes and you know, a lot of seasonal trends there as well. So definitely check out PABeef.org.
We will do that. Thanks so much. And now the crew has lunch here as always, so that's good. Beth, good to see you. We appreciate it. As we go to the break, we do want to thank the Pennsylvania Beef Council for sponsoring this segment. There's more Good Day PA coming up next.